What's up guys, today I'm making another paper airplane video. So this model we should start basically folding the sheet of paper into halves. Afterwards you have to pull the top corner down towards the center line and repeat the action for the second corner. The next step again is to fold both sides to central line. So fold the plane's nose down towards you, and after that fold it up. So fold the plane in half, do your adjustments, then fold the right wing down, switch the sides and fold the left wing down. So the next thing is you have to take the scissors and make a cut, something like that. Again, a little bit of adjusting things, and basically plane is done.